Next question. A bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80 meter high. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground is 45 degree. The bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally and remains at a height, constant height. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird from the point of observation becomes 30 degree. Find the speed of flying of the bird. Question is, a bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80 meter high. Bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80 meter high. The angle of elevation of the bird from the point on the ground is 45. So, there is a tree. Bird is sitting on the top of the tree. And the bird is observing from a point on the ground. From here, O. It is observing at an elevation of 45 degree. Then what happened? The bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally. So, it is 80 meter high. Bird flies away from the tree horizontally at a constant height. So, it is flying this direction horizontally. After some time it reached here. Okay, same height. So, we can draw like this. It is also 80 meter. Now, the bird is observing at an elevation of 30 degree. And for flying this much distance, it took 2 seconds. It took 2 seconds. Question is, find the speed of the bird. Speed of the bird. So, what you have to find? This distance you have to find, since speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time already given 2 seconds. So, for getting the speed, BD distance you have to find. Okay. So, let us take, this is x, then it is also x. This we can take y. Understood? So, now we are going to find how much is x. Now, there are two triangles. One is OAB. So, in triangle OAB, tan 45 is equal to AB divided by OA. 1 is equal to 80 by y, cross multiply, y is equal to 80. Next, in triangle OCD, tan 30 is equal to CD divided by OC. 1 by root 3 is equal to CD 80 divided by x plus y. 80 root 3 is equal to x plus y, equation 2. So, substitute y here you will get, or substitute 1 in 2 you will get x plus 80 is equal to 80 root 3, or x is equal to 80 root 3 minus 80, 80 into root 3 minus 1, that is x is equal to 80 into root 3 is 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732. Multiply. 8 2's 16, 8 3's 24 plus 1 25, 8 7's 56 plus 2 58. And this 0 will be there. 1 2 3 place 1 2 3 you have to put point. So, x is equal to 58.56 meter. Okay, what is the question? Find the speed of the bird. So, speed is 58.56 divided by 2, since speed is equal to distance by time. So it is 58 means 29.28 meter per second. 29.28 meter per second is the speed of the bird.